Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do an unboxing of my brand new dash cam. It's a REDTIGER. This one is the F7N dash cam. It's 4K, Wi-Fi, GPS, G-sensor, dual recording. So I'm gonna have a cam in back of the truck. So let's do this. Okay. Here is the main camera. It's not too big. It's gonna be looking great in the car, just beside the rear view mirror. Going to remove the protective film here. So let's open the rest of the box. Okay, here's are the instructions. Don't know what these are. We'll find out later. Let's open the box here. Okay. This is probably what's gonna go in here. Yep. This is what's gonna attach the dash cam to the windshield. Oh wow, nice addition. Plastic pry bar. Make sure you don't break or damage your plastic cosmetic while installing the wiring. Here is the cigarette lighter wire for powering the dash cam. That is going to be, yeah, that's going to plug right about here, just like that. And here this is the cam for the rear view. Okay, I will have to do something to since I drive a pickup truck. Yeah, I'm gonna have to make an L bracket. I'll probably make a L bracket like that. I'm gonna stick this on the rear window, and to the flat surface here I'm gonna screw to it. That's how I'm gonna do it, since they probably think it's in a car and you have the window in an angle. Yeah, that's the only way to do it. Okay, pretty long wire. This is 1080p, and this one goes to 4K. So that's what's in the box. Okay, so I got myself the this to plug it properly in the car. I'm not going to use the 12 volt outlet cigarette lighter. I'm going to use this Hardwire kit from it is for the REDTIGER. It's the Hardwire kit installation. I'm going to install this into my 2020 Silverado. So I'll need to find the right fuse, and I'll try it out and probably show how to install this. Okay, so now made myself a bracket to install the rear camera on it. Since I own a Chevy Silverado, it's going to be in the back window. It's straight 90 degrees from the ground, so I'm going to put 3M tape here, stick that into the window like that, and the camera aiming at the back, and we'll stick this to the rear window. Just make sure that the camera is not going further than the right angle here. So I'm gonna screw this with a small self-tapping screw and make a mark just right there. I'm gonna make the hole. Okay, when done, so it's going to be aiming at the back like that, just like that. I'll probably chop a bit of this here, maybe a bit too long, I'll see. So now there's the bracket holding the camera. Now putting 3M tape here. Okay, so I'm gonna install my REDTIGER cam with the Hardwire install kit. For the fuse tab, I'm gonna use that one, and this is for the it's F7N heated seat. Now I need to find out where is 12 volt coming from. Right there from the top. So it's gonna go from the top just like that. Will be okay. Enough room. So I've already put the heated seat fuse at the bottom and the 5 amp for the dash cam goes on top just like that. And I put this, current is coming from the top, so just like that. Okay, so as you can see, here is my ground. This is by the way the hardwiring kit for the REDTIGER F7N. I didn't look, but there was the wrong fuse tab for the truck. I had to buy a new one, and I'm plugging the yellow one and using the F20 position here, so each time I start the truck the dash cam will start. For removing the panel on the side here, you just start at the bottom and it's gonna come out. Okay, so now the installation is done. I can put back the panel. You see there's a bevel here, so you need to go in first and after snap it. As you can see, this is what's holding it in place. Looks like there's one that got stuck. I'm gonna put it back. Just like that. So you go in first, just like that, and you snap it. That's it. Now, if you want to know, I have pushed all the wires at the top here. I went here inside. I have used the small pry bar for this that comes with it. This here comes with the camera. So I've pushed it into there. Here I've pulled that rubber, went down here and to the fuse box. And for the rear cam, what I did is remove the rubber and continue until here. And after that, I have pushed over here, put the wire on top of this. Did the same thing here, remove the rubber, put the wire in there to the top. Same thing there in the back, put the wire on the top after going into the roof panel and install my rear cam. Okay, so as you can see, yeah, it's winter here. I'm not in Florida, far from Florida. So dash cam is mounted there. I didn't want it on my side and did not want it under it, so nice spot there. And I'm gonna start the truck and the cam should start. Here we go. Yep. So everything is working perfectly. Each time I'm gonna start the truck, dash cam will automatically turn on. That's exactly what I wanted. So if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment. Maybe you can share this with friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.